Good morning, welcome to INCG Max. This is one question given, Olympiad question. If x square plus y square plus z square by xy plus yz plus zx equal to 7 and y plus z by x plus z plus x by y plus x plus y by z equal to 6, then find x plus y plus z whole cube by xyz. So here pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem, how to do this problem. Like this only Olympiad problems will be uploaded in this channel. So those who are watching first time, subscribe the channel. Like this only logical and critical problems will be uploaded, so that it will help you in your competitive exams. Now if you go to the solution, so here what is given, first given part we will take, first one, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 7 xy plus yz plus zx. So here what is required, x plus y plus z whole cube is required, x plus y plus z whole cube. So adding 2xy, adding 2 into xy plus yz plus zx, adding 2 into xy plus yz plus zx. Now LHS, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into xy plus yz plus zx is equal to, RHS will become 9 into xy plus yz plus zx. Now this is the formula, a plus b whole square. So x plus y plus z whole square will get, x plus y plus z whole square is equal to 9 into xy plus yz plus zx. Now here we want x plus y plus z whole cube, multiply with x plus y plus z, both sides, multiply with xyz both sides. So adding this one on both sides. So what will get here, x plus y plus z whole cube is equal to 9 into xy plus yz plus zx into x plus y plus z. So let it be 1 now. Now we got a numerator of the, here what you have to find, that numerator you got x plus y plus z whole cube. Now you have to get the denominator. Now up to here one part, this part is very important here. The second part is very important. Okay, watch the video up to the end. This is very important question. Now what is given, y plus z by x plus z plus x by y plus x plus y by z is equal to 6. So this step is very important, the second step. Now here you have to add 3 on both sides, adding 3 on both sides. So what will get here, y plus z by x plus 1 plus z plus x z plus x by y plus 1 x plus y by z plus 1 is equal to 6 plus 3, adding 3. This step is very important now. Adding 3 on both sides. So if you know this step, critical step, you can do this problem easily. Now if you take LCM, y plus z plus x by x plus z plus x plus y by y plus x plus y plus z by z is equal to 9. Now if you here x, y, z you can take common, x plus y plus z common. So here you will get 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equal to 9. Now if you take LCM here, x plus y plus z into, here you can take yz plus xz plus xy by xyz is equal to 9. Now send this xyz to that side. So x plus y plus z yz plus xz plus xy is equal to 9xyz. Send this 9 to this part. This is 9. Let it be the second one. Now what is required? Required is second by 1. What is required is a plus b plus c whole cube by x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z whole cube by xyz, x plus y plus z. So what is here first one? 9 into xy plus yz plus zx. From the first one, 9 into xy plus yz plus zx into x plus y plus z. Now if you write the value of xyz from the second one, xyz, so x plus y plus z into xy plus yz plus zx divided by 9. These values will get cancelled. So here you will get 9 into 9, you will get 81. So the answer is 81. So thank you for watching the video. So if you like the video, subscribe the video and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching Ayan's Easy Maths Olympiad.